Today we are going to be conducting the experiment series and parallel LCR circuits. In this experiment, we are going to be study the frequency response characteristic of series and parallel LCR circuits. And we are going to be determining resonance frequency, bandwidth and quality factor. It means that from this experiment we are going to be observing the frequency response of series and parallel LCR circuit, and we are going to be determining resonance frequency, bandwidth and quality factor. Already you know what is the resonance frequency. In a forced vibration you learned the resonance frequency. What do you mean by resonance frequency? What is resonance frequency? Frequency at which resonance occurs. When resonance occurs? When applied frequency matches with the natural frequency. At the time resonance occurs. We are learnt already in forced vibration. Is it right? Yes. Then also we are calculating bandwidth. We have a formula to calculate a bandwidth. Okay, that is F2 minus F1. Then the definition of bandwidth is, it is the frequency of two cutoff frequency, the range between two cutoff frequency, that we will get from the graph. Quality factor Q is equal to, this is a formula for quality factor, Q is equal to resonance frequency to the bandwidth. Bandwidth means that is the range of two cutoff frequency. How we will get those two cutoff frequency? That we are getting from the graph. Then this is a formula to calculate resonance frequency, but in this experiment we are going to be knowing resonance frequency from the graph. It means that graphical method we are going to be observing, or otherwise by putting the value of inductance and capacitance we can easily calculate resonance frequency, but we are not calculating theoretically, but by graphical method we are going to be knowing the resonance frequency. Resonance frequency means already you know that the frequency at which resonance occurs. Okay, then you can see the series circuit, series LCR circuit. L means inductor, this is a symbol for inductance of a given inductor. This is the symbol for capacitor, this is the symbol for resistor. All are connected series. This is the series LCR circuit, you can see there. Inductor, capacitor and resistor connected serially. And in the circuit we have one milliammeter, and in the circuit we have one audio frequency oscillator. Then what is the application of audio frequency oscillator? From this audio frequency oscillator we are applying frequency to the circuit. Then after applying a frequency to the circuit, what is the current value we are going to be measuring? Through milliammeter. Okay, it means that here we have to be connect milliammeter, here we have to be connect inductor, here we have to be connect capacitor, here we have to be connect resistor, and here in this place we have to be connect audio frequency oscillator. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, then these two are the, okay, and this one is the parallel LCR circuit. Here you can see in this circuit inductor, resistor connected serially, this capacitor connected parallel. Like this, when we are connecting capacitor parallel to inductor and resistor, it becomes parallel LCR circuit. You know what is L and what is C and what is R. Okay, this is the circuit diagram for parallel LCR circuit. Okay, these are all the nature of graph. After getting the values, we are going to be plotting current versus frequency. Okay, where we will get a maximum current. The maximum current corresponding frequency we can call it as a resonance frequency for series. Okay, then you can see for parallel minimum current corresponding frequency we are taken as a resonance frequency. We are not calculating by using a formula Fr is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi into square root of L by C. You will get from the graph itself directly. For series, maximum current corresponding frequency, for parallel minimum current corresponding frequency. Okay. Then how we will get F2 minus F1? See, when we are going to be high maximum, when we are going to be calculating high maxima divided by 2, we will get some value. For that value, from that value we have to be draw a line parallel to the x-axis. Then that cuts the curve at 2 point. Here this is one point, and this is another point. It cuts 2 point at the on the curve. The corresponding frequency we have taken F1, F2. So F2 minus F1 we will get bandwidth. Okay, maximum current corresponding frequency we will get frequency. Then when we are calculating I maxima divided by 2, we will get some value. That value when we are drawing parallel to x-axis, this line we will get. That line cuts the curve at 2 point. Okay, either side of the resonance frequency. So that is represented by F1, F2. So F2 minus F1 we will get bandwidth. Okay, then quality factor we are calculating. Quality factor means the resonance frequency means FR divided by quality bandwidth means F2 minus F1. So we will get quality factor. Like this we are going to be doing from graph resonance frequency, bandwidth and quality factor. Similarly for series also we are doing minimum current corresponding frequency, we can call it as resonance frequency, that we are taken as a resonance frequency for parallel. Okay, then high minimum into root 2 we are doing. When we are calculating I minimum into root 2, we will get some value. For that value we can draw a line parallel to x-axis. So that line cuts the curve at 2 point either side of the resonance frequency. So that we have taken F1 and F2. So F2 minus F1 we will get bandwidth. This is resonance frequency for parallel. F2 minus F1 is the bandwidth for parallel LCR circuit. Similarly, FR divided by F2 minus F1 we will get quality factor. It means that the mainly the frequency response of LCR circuit is very important. The application of these circuits are we are using in radio communication system to set a frequency. Resonance means one particular frequency. When we will get resonance frequency? When applied frequency matches with the natural frequency. At that time we will get resonance frequency. That is called as a resonance frequency that we are using. Especially we are using a series LCR circuit in radio communication system. Okay, you can see there. This is the tabular column, frequency and current ammeter reading I in milliamps. We are applying a frequency 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200 like this. We are going to be applying a frequency by using audio frequency oscillator to the circuit. The corresponding current we are not downing. Okay. Similarly for parallel also same. We are applying frequencies to the circuit. The corresponding current we are not downing. Finally, we are result. You can see the resonance frequency FR is equal to that we will get from the graph. Already we have discussed the graph. Bandwidth means 2 cutoff frequency. And quality factor means resonance frequency to the bandwidth we will get quality factor. Like this parallel also we are doing calculation. After that we are writing results here. Okay, but how to conduct this experiment? You can see already connection is as per the circuit. Connection already we did. You can see the circuit. Yeah, you can see the circuit. Already we did. It is similar to what we are observed. Same circuit. Okay, this is the LCR circuit, series and parallel LCR circuit kit. This one is ammeter. Okay, these two terminal for ammeter, and this is the place to connect the ammeter, so that here you can see the positive of ammeter is connected to positive, and negative is connected to negative. Here we have a inductors, here we have a resistors in the kit, here we have a capacitors, but we are using only one inductor one resistor, one capacitor. This is the place to connect inductors. So here we have inductor, we are connected here, and this is the place for central we are connecting capacitor. So here we have a capacitor, then we are connected by using a connecting wires, and you can see here we have a resistors, here we have a resistors, then resistors also connected in place of the circuit where we have to be connected. At that place we are connected, and you can see this is the audible frequency oscillator, that also we are connecting by using these two wires. This is the audio frequency oscillator, or sometimes we can also be called it as functional generator. Here you can see we have a frequency knob. By using this knob we are setted frequency 200. Okay, it means that we are going to be setting 200 means this functional generator generates the frequency of 200 hertz. When we are it means that we are fixing 200 means we are applying 200 hertz frequency to the circuit. It means that what is the application of a functional generator? It generates the signals of different frequency. All functional generator have some range. What is the main application? Functional generator generates the signals of different frequencies. So different frequency means 200 hertz, 400 hertz, 600, like that. Now for series, this is a connection of series LCR circuit. We are applying 200 hertz frequency from the functional generator, means audio frequency oscillator, sometimes we can also be called. Then corresponding ammeter, this is ammeter na, corresponding reading is 1.03 milliamps. Like this, second reading, we are by using frequency knob, we are increasing 200 to 400, 200 to 400. At the time, current before it is 1 point something, now 2.0. It means that it is increasing. Current is increasing. You observe the current reading. I am here increasing the frequency 400 to 600. What we are observing? Current is increasing in series LCR circuit. You can observe the current now it is frequency 600, but the current value is 3. So as increasing a frequency, current is also increases in series LCR circuit. We can observe the increasing of current. So now 5, see there, it is increasing. 7, 8, 9. Okay, like this. Increasing, then decreasing. It means that up to some frequency in series LCR circuit, we are going to be observing current increases. After reaching some frequency, after reaching resonance frequency, once again current decreases. That we are observing in the nature of graph. That we are already observed in the nature of graph. You can see there. You can see here. In series LCR, this is the nature of graph for series LCR circuit. Here you can see current increases up to some frequency, then after current decreases. Same nature frequency response we are observed in the milliammeter also. It means that in series LCR circuit, before current is minimum, current increases up to some maximum value, it reaches some maximum value, then it is decreases. Where the maximum current, we will get that corresponding frequency we can take as a resonance frequency. For example, you can see here, you can see there. You can see we are applying some frequency 200, 400, like this, up to 4000 we are applying. Here we are note downing 1, here increasing, you can see there the current increasing 11, 13, 14, 15, then you can see 14, 13 up to 15.08. 15.08 is the maximum current. The corresponding frequency is a resonance frequency. Okay. By inspecting the reading, you will get a, you will come to know the resonance frequency, but we have to be plot. After getting a reading, we have to be plot like this. Yeah, this is the graph for, yeah, this is current versus frequency we are plotted. Then after plotting, we will get a curve like this. This is a maximum current, corresponding frequency we are taken a resonance frequency already, you know, yeah, here you can see that 16. Then I maxima divided by, when we made I maxima is 15.08, I maxima divided by root 2, we will get 10.7. At 10.7, so you can see this is 10.7, we are plotted a line parallel to the axis, x-axis. So that line cuts the 2 point, cuts the curve at 2 point either side of the resonance frequency, means either side. So that is taken as a F1, F2. So F1, F2 values here written. F1 is 950 Hertz, F2 is 2500 Hertz. So F2 minus F1 we will get a bandwidth. Fr is the resonance frequency. So they are done the calculation here, you can see. Yeah, series. Directly we will get from the graph. 1600 Hertz is our resonance frequency. F1 is 950. F2 is 2500 Hertz. So bandwidth F2 minus F1. They did 1550 Hertz we will get. Then quality factor formula is the resonance frequency to the bandwidth. Fr is 1600. And F2 minus F1 is 1550. So we will get quality factor is 1 point something. Like this, there after calculation, they write the result. They write the result. Here you can see the result. Yeah, for series. Fr is 1600. Yeah, what we will get after calculation, that here not turning here. Similarly, for parallel LCR circuit, how we are conducting? Okay. Here this is the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. Here this is inductor, capacitor and resistor. But in parallel, inductor, resistor connected serially, but capacitor we are connecting parallel to the inductor and resistor. Okay. Yeah. Here there is option. Here we have to be connect. Here this is the way of connecting parallel. So, but in between, in this place, in between we have there is no connection in between inductor and resistor, so that we are taking one small wire and connectivity. We are making some connectivity in between inductor and capacitor. Okay. Then yeah, you can see that. We are fixing once again 200 Hertz frequency from the audio frequency oscillator. First value, when we are putting 200, after putting 200, the value is 9.9. It means in parallel LCR circuit, before it is a maximum. Then after increasing a frequency, when we are increasing a frequency, it decreases, it reaches minimum. Then once again it increases. Yeah, once again it increases like this. Yes, finally it reaches the final stage. Like this we are not doing. It means that, yeah, you can see the, yeah, 200 we are applying a frequency like this. So for 200 you have maximum value, then it decreases, it reaches minimum. The minimum current corresponding frequency, which is minimum here 7.76, the corresponding frequency is a resonance frequency, like this. Then after it increases once again current. Okay, like this. After getting a we are plotting, then we will get a resonance frequency. Then after that I minima into root 2 we are doing. Then we are draw a line like this. So we will get F1, F2. By using F1 and F2, yeah, we are calculating resonance frequency is 1400. Then bandwidth is 1150 and quality factor is 1.2. So after that we are writing a